Merry Christmas, happy holiday. Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. As you can tell by the shirt, by the little stuff we got going on over here, today kicks off my very first video of the holidays for 2019, and I could not be more excited. I am so excited to show you guys the decor, how I'm going to decorate, all the different themes I'm going to have throughout my house, and all of that stuff. I have a theme for the living room, a separate theme for the kitchen and the dining room, and then a separate one for the bathroom. And so I have all kinds of decor. This is going to be a haul today. And I know I'll get questions, so I'll go ahead and tell you this shirt is from Thread Tank. So I will have it linked down below, and I will also have my discount code linked down below for you guys. And they have other shirts, not just Merry AF. I know that's not for everyone. They have all kinds of shirts, mom shirts, holiday shirts, all of the things. So go check them out. I'll link it down below. So today's just going to be a haul, but I'm also going to show you guys how to decorate my tree, how to DIY a couple of things in your house, all of my decor, the different themes, how I go about doing it, a hot cocoa bar, all things Christmas. We're going to do it this year. I'm so excited. So in today's haul, I'm going to be showing you a couple of things that I picked up. Now, I always use things from Christmases past, but each year I also pick up new items to go along with the themes and the decor. So I usually do about 4 trees each year, 2 large ones, 2 small ones. Could be more, could be less. It won't be less, could be more. But I do a lot of trees. So I want to share this haul with you guys. Now I also went to, well, let's see, I went to Hobby Lobby, TJ Maxx, Big Lots, Dollar Tree, and Amazon. But I cannot find my bag from Dollar Tree, unfortunately. So the Dollar Tree stuff is not going to be in this haul, but don't worry, you will see it when I do my decorate with me's and stuff like that. So let me go ahead and get started. I'm going to start off with Hobby Lobby and show you the picks that I got, because everything right now is 50% off at Hobby Lobby. 50% off, so it's really, really good, okay? So I got these 2 silver picks, which are like little fun little spiky balls. These are $3.99 each. You can stick these in a wreath. I stick them in my tree. If you want to do a garland, you can stick them down in there. Picks are good for everything. If you want to have a decorative centerpiece, picks are good for that. So I love these. I have some of those already, but I needed extra. Here are 2 beautiful flowers. I want to say they're poinsettias, but I don't really know if that's what they are. Look how glittery and beautiful they are, y'all. That is so pretty. These are $2.99. with 50% off, and these are wire inside, so you can bend them however you need them to put them in your tree. And then these are so cute. Look at these 2 little guys, 2 little owls. How cute are they? Oh, so cute. They have little tails and everything. These were $5.99, and again, of course, 50% off. I got 2 of those because I already have some different kind of owls. I may go back and get more of these. Honestly, I think they're the most precious thing I've ever seen. So this came from Hobby Lobby this year also. Just this big old chunky glitter sequin pearl cone tree. Look how pretty this is. So I had a tree farm last year where I had like a little bunch of trees together, my little tree farm that had all kinds of glamorous trees. So I thought she would be an awesome addition to the family. And let me show you up close. It is just pearls. It is silver sequins and glitter, and then it has a touch of gold in there. Now, while I do not have gold in my theme in the living room, this is such a muted and such a tiny amount of gold. You honestly just can't tell when it's sitting with the rest of the decor. So I picked that up. My husband actually, I think, was like, yeah, get that one. So it's just like cardboard on the inside, but it was $19.99. So like 10 bucks. 10 bucks for this with that 50% off. The next thing I got from Hobby Lobby were these 3 stockings that match. So 3 white stockings with a snowflake on the front, and they're just like this. It almost feels like burlap, but it's cloth or something. I don't know. These were $9.99 each. You can see that right there. They do have the little hanger on them. So I got 3 of these. I have 3 daughters if you're new here, so I wanted them all to match and all have the same stocking. I also got these stocking hangers from Hobby Lobby, and you just sit it on your mantle or on your shelf, on your table, whatever, just like that, and then it hangs, and then your stocking hangs on there. These are the sleekest stocking hangers I have ever found. Usually they have words or color or some kind of like Christmas decor on it, and I didn't want that. I wanted it just plain, sleek, and I just love these. It was a pack of 5 for $19.99, so 10 bucks for all 5 of them. And then I picked up this red and black checked wired ribbon because this is going to go in one of my trees. And like I said, you'll see the themes of all of the trees if you stay tuned. I'll go ahead and make an entire playlist for Christmas 2019 videos. So you can just click on the playlist. I'll have the playlist link down below, and then you can see all of the videos. Obviously, this is the first one, so there won't be any videos in it when this video goes up. But as I add videos, I'll put them in that playlist so it's easy for you to find. And now with wired ribbon, you can bend it and manipulate it however you want. So that's why I got this to weave in and out of trees or in the hot cocoa bar and all of that stuff. This is a 30-foot roll, and it was only $9.99, so I got it for like $5. Okay, y'all, so I got this from Amazon, and this is just like a burlap colored Christmas tree skirt with little Christmas trees and some red around the bottom and the top. So it just ties around your tree like this. So this will obviously go on the tree that I'm doing in traditional colors, but this was super affordable, and I'll have that link down below. Anything that I can link, like from Amazon, stuff from TJ Maxx, obviously I can't link, but stuff from anything from Amazon. If you click on the link that says My Amazon Favorites, that's where you'll find everything that I ever mentioned on Amazon, and you'll find that tree skirt there if you're interested. So let's move on to TJ Maxx, and I got this guy. Look at him. Is he not the cutest? These are what? Christmas gnomes or Christmas elves? I feel like it's a gnome. What is it, you guys? Y'all let me know down below. Is this an elf or a gnome? I don't know. But he was like $13 or $14. He's heavy, so he'll sit on the edge of the mantle or on the edge of a table or just like under the tree, wherever you want him. But look at his little color. He's so soft. I love grays, whites, and pinks together, so had to have him. Cannot wait to show you guys where he belongs. You're gonna love it. I almost forgot to tell you guys, this garland that you're seeing beside me, I know you can't see the whole thing because I'm trying not to give it away yet, but this garland right here also came from Hobby Lobby, and it is pre-lit with a battery pack on the end of it. So it takes 3 AA batteries, and then it has a timer. It has, like, you can click it on where it will stay on all day, or you can put it on the timer and it will come off and on whenever you want it to. Okay, so this garland was only $19.99 for 6 foot. And then it was 50% off. So it was $10 for 6 foot. And this is like really nice garland. It's not like, you know, cheap little Dollar Tree kind of stuff. So if you need garland this year, I suggest go ahead and run out and get it while it's 50% off, because this was really a really good deal. So let's move on, like I said, to TJ Maxx. The little guy was from TJ Maxx. And so is this little tree in this. I didn't realize how much like burlap type of stuff I had. This is just like a little flocked pine tree. I guess it's like a little pine tree with this little burlap around it. I thought it was so cute. I think I'm gonna put this on the hot cocoa bar. This one was only $5.99, so I thought that was really, really cute. And then also from TJ Maxx, I found this silver and white checked ribbon. I cannot, oh yeah, it was $6.99. This is not that long though. Well, it's 10 yards, so I mean, I guess it's pretty long. But as you can see, I decorated with it already. So this is what I've done with that. $6.99. So hit up TJ Maxx if you're looking for like gift wrap, bows, gift tags, and things like that. TJ Maxx is really good, y'all. Okay, so I also got this for the hot cocoa bar. This is hot cocoa. This is a Starbucks classic hot cocoa. This thing is plum full of hot cocoa, y'all. And then this Jordan's Skinny Syrup Christmas cookie flavor whipped foamed topping. Flavored coffee topping with 0 calories and 0 sugar. So I got the Starbucks hot cocoa for $6.99 there, and it does not run out of date until next year. So always check your dates at TJ Maxx just in case. But like, that's a lot of stuff in there. And then this one, I have not tried this yet, but I cannot wait. Sugar cookie foamy top stuff in my hot cocoa. Like, are you kidding me? Yes. And this does not have to be refrigerated. You can leave it out on your hot cocoa bar at all times and just let your people do the pumping and go for it. How much was this, Melissa? I don't know because I pulled the sticker off, but it wasn't much or I wouldn't have got it. Okay, y'all know me. All right, the last thing I'm going to show you guys in this haul today is this deer, and I already have one from Big Lots last year, but they have him again this year, and he's adorable. Okay, he's just cute. He's just like foam, really lightweight with sequin. It's not sequins. It's like diamond studded things on it. But he's super cute. He goes with my theme. And he's fuzzy right here. Why not? Super cute. Love that. I've not figured out exactly where he lives yet, but we're going to figure that out. After I get all of the trees up and all of that kind of stuff, it'll all come together and you'll see it. And I hope you guys will stick around for more videos like this one and more Christmas decorating with me, because I'm so excited to have you here. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.